Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to explain you what is point, what is line and what is line segment. Now there are three different concepts, but it's really important to understand before you go ahead and learn geometry. So what is point? So point is nothing but you just take a sharp pencil or a fine tip of a pen, a pointed object something, and you put a dot on a plain paper or a plain surface, and that is called as point. Now what is the purpose of point? A point determines the location here. Now here, suppose I'll take random points. Suppose I have 4 points like this, and I'm saying look at the point. Now which point I'm talking about? So we want some name to the points, right? For that purpose, we give a capital letters like A, B, C, but they should be capital letter like A, B, C, D. So these are the 4 points, point A, point B, point C and point D. That's it. It's a very simple one. And another example of points I can give you is stars in the sky. They also give us an idea about the points. So you might have seen the sky that the stars they look like a points, and they also help us to find the or determine the location, right? So that is all about the points. The next topic comes is line segment. So line segment and line are completely different topic. Now to understand the line segment, I'm going to take an example of a folded paper like this. I hope you have all folded the paper, and once you fold and open it, you will see this kind of creases on it. Yes, this folded line you will see. They're called creases, and this creases from this point to this point, it's called a line segment. And before I just explain more about line segment, remember that a line consists of a point. Now suppose you have a point here and then another point here like this, and you keep on putting up points. Let me redo this. Now suppose I have a point here, 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 close one after the other, and they're very close. And you can see that it is forming a line, right? So a line or line segment, they consist of points, right? And if we talk about line segment here, so this crease from here, suppose let me take an example from here to here, this crease you see, this is going to help us or to understand the line segment, and it has a two endpoints. It is point A and point B. Suppose let me take this as a point A. Remember, a line segment consists of point. Just now explained you, when you put a point one after the other side by side, you will see a line forming, right? So you can see a line segment has a two end points A and B, right? And another example is you can just take a thin thread and you hold it with the two hands, stretch it out without any curves or without a slack, and you can see that represent a line segment, and the two ends you have on your hand are the end points of the line segment. Apart from that, you can see a different example in daily life, like edge of your book or a pencil box or a ruler like this. It is also a line segment. From here to here, you can see it has a fixed line, right? It has a two end points, so it is called a line segment. Now, how to represent a line segment then? So suppose I have a map. Let me take a random example. Suppose this is a map here, and I want to go from this point A to this point B. Suppose there's a point here on the curve B. Now what will be the shortest distance from a point A to point B? It will be this one, right? So this is also a line segment. Now how to represent this? So we're going to connect A and B, and this will be nothing but AB. On top of that, you're going to put a line like this. So this line shows that we're talking about a line segment because there's a line on it. So this is a line segment AB, or you can also write it as BA. Both are same, AB or BA, but don't forget to put a line on it. So that shows that we're talking about the line segment. So we have understood what is point, we have understood what is line segment, and the next concept comes is a line. Now line is a completely different one. Like a line segment, it has a two end points. These points can be anywhere, and but whereas in a line there are no end points. So imagine a line segment. Suppose let me take a line segment here like this. Okay, now this is a line suppose I have a line segment, and from A to B, okay, A to B I have a line segment, and if the A is extended beyond and B is also extended beyond in other direction, like this direction we can extend this one, and this direction we can extend this one, this is called as a line. If I can extend this line segment on this direction and this point here, from this point B I can extend this side. This is called as a line. So a line has a no fixed point, it has a no end points, it's like it has a countless points on it. I hope it is clear what is line. So a line can be we cannot draw a complete picture of line because it can be extendable. We can extend a line. If I want to extend this, I can able to extend this line furthermore from point A. From point B I can extend it. So the question is, can we able to draw a complete picture of line? No, we cannot draw because it has a countless number of points there. So we cannot like draw a complete line because it can be extended from any other direction, from any direction, right? So a line through 2 points AB is written as AB. You can write down AB, and on top of AB you will gonna have like this. So this arrow what you see, we're gonna help represent that this can be extended. If you want, we can extend this, right? This arrow represent that they can be extended. So line segment, you can see it has a two end points. There are no two arrows there, but for line you will see arrows. Arrows represent that we can still extend it. So this will become line AB or line BA. And sometimes it is also represented with a small letter L. You can see a L here written, right? So this is a line L. So when you represent a line, you can represent with a single alphabet, but that should be in a lower case, right? Or you can represent like AB or a PQ, but on top you should write this arrow line. That's it. Okay, so what is line? A line can be extended indefinitely in a both direction, and it contains a countless number of points. And but a line segment, it has a fixed number of points because its length is fixed, right? But here in line it is not like that. So that's it. This is about a point, line segment and line, and I hope it's clear. In case you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.